On day-to-day basis, whenever we use MS Excel, sometimes we don't notice some of the feature which is working in background in Excel. One of them is autocorrect. Maybe if you are typing, you are in a hurry, or because of some reason you are typing something wrong, or you are missing some spelling. So Excel helps to get those corrected automatically. One example, that is, maybe instead of the you, if you just type it in this way, and if you press enter, it will change the spelling. Similarly, maybe another example, money, right? This particular spelling is incorrect. If I just press enter, it will change. So this is one of the very important feature within MS Excel, and it's not only within MS Excel. All these mistakes and correct spellings are already stored within Microsoft Office, and all of the Office products are using same set of data, and whenever you will be missing some of the spelling, it will correct automatically. Now we can also use this particular feature in our benefit. Maybe in your day-to-day activities, you already using some of the acronyms, but instead of those acronyms, you want automatically your all Office products, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, should convert all those acronyms to full words. So let me talk about some of the examples what I already written here. That is WIP, which is work in progress. FYI, for your information. So what I would like to achieve here, I will add this WIP and work in progress, this particular acronym within MS Office, so that whenever I'll be writing WIP and I'll press enter or space, then it will automatically change it to work in progress. So let's see how we can do it. You can also add custom autocorrect words as per your requirement and need. So let me show you how you can do it. So to add a new word within autocorrect, we have to go to this file menu. Then we need to locate these options, and there you will be able to find one option is proofing, right? If I click on that, there are multiple options are there which is related to grammar or spelling mistake and how Excel will handle that. You can see one option is there, one particular button, that is autocorrect options. So if you can locate this particular button, it will open a pop-up. Here you can see that all these values, it is already populated with several things. One example, your spelling, in case you are missing something there, that will autocorrect. So what we need to do now, we need to include a new one. So let me start typing WIP, which I wanted to change to work in progress. If I click add and I click then OK, you can see now this WIP work in progress has been added. If I now click on OK, and if I click on OK on this particular pop-up also, now I have that WIP added in my autocorrect, and I can just type WIP, and if I press enter, see, it just changed to work in progress. Now let me try with the next one. FYI, if I type, it will not do anything. But if I add this particular entry in this autocorrect, it will. So let me go back to file menu, then to options, and again under proofing, autocorrect options. Now let me add another one here. FYI, for your information. And let me click on add. And if I click on OK, OK again. Now if I type FYI and press enter, it's now updated for your information. We can use similar feature in other MS Office products. Let me open one of the Word file. And if I just start typing FYI and press enter, it didn't change. But in capital, if I type FYI and press enter, it automatically updated that. Similar way, WIP, work in progress. So this is one feature you can utilize, and it's not only within Excel, you can use it with PowerPoint, you can use it with MS Word, Excel, everywhere, all MS Office products you are using in your system. So this particular source of data will be common for all these applications, and you can use it as per your benefit, as per your requirement. Hopefully this will help. Let us move to our next video to talk about another important feature of MS Excel.